Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friend we are going to upload guys how can we connect earphone to with our Poco phone. Guys we have guys your neckband earphone guys you want to connect with your phone so how can you connect? So once you want to connect your earphone with your phone, so how can you connect? Today I will show you in this video guys. So before starting video fan, first of all you can subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like my video. First of all guys we will on our phone setting. After on phone setting guys scroll it, then click on your phone Bluetooth setting and guys now turn on your earphone first of all. After on guys your earphone guys now you can on your phone Bluetooth setting guys. Tap here and guys with refresh setting. I wait for you guys 4 and 5 seconds guys. Friends, you can see earphone name. I have got the CL20 earphone guys. I will tap here to connect. Then guys you can see this notification in your Poco phone guys. So guys tap here. Then it will connect to your phone guys. You can see connected battery 100% active. So it's now you can use guys your earphone with your phone while operating any app, listening song and music. You can use it. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.